Hello. So hopefully you have signed in to this Amazon account, the free tier account. And let me make myself a little bit smaller so you can see. Okay, that's I think perfect. All right, so let's see. You gonna click on this and let's see the services provided by Amazon. Okay, so all of these, there are more than 200, 250 kind of services that are provided by Amazon. Okay, that are provided by AWS actually. Now, if someone, for example, if someone knows AWS, he or she won't know all of these things. Okay, these are just come by requirements. Whatever requirements you have in your company or your personal projects, you just learn those services and just get up and running. Okay, for us, we're gonna first see this first service, that is EC2. Basically it is just a server. So the machines that we were talking about, we want to rent a machine, right? So it will give us the CPU, the basically the application that we can host that application into this machine. So this EC2 will give us that. The full form is Elastic Compute Cloud. Okay, so we can just click on that. So this is the EC2 free tier. All right, so in here we can make various instances meaning the machines. For example, if I created 10 machines, so it will show 10 here. All right, dedicated hosts, we will see that later on. Key pairs, we will see that. Security groups, there are multiple security groups, we can assign the various security, so we will see that in later videos. But just I want to show you the introduction of EC2. Okay, offers on all AWS regions. And okay, on the free tier you have these and whatever. Now in the next video we will launch our first instance. Okay, so that's it for this one, and I will see you in the next one. Okay.